Understanding Give Thanks, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common but meaningful phrase in English, give thanks. This phrase is not just about saying, thank you. It goes deeper into expressing gratitude and appreciation. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and the cultural significance behind it. Give thanks is a phrase used to express gratitude and appreciation. It's more than just thanking someone for a favor. It's about acknowledging the goodness in our lives. This phrase is often used in religious contexts, but it's also common in everyday language to express deep gratitude. You can use give thanks in various ways. Expressing gratitude. I give thanks for my family's health. Acknowledging others' help. We give thanks to the volunteers for their hard work. Reflecting on positive experiences. At the end of the day, I give thanks for the small joys. In many cultures, giving thanks is a way to foster positive relationships and build a sense of community. It's more than politeness, it's a recognition of interdependence and kindness in our lives. In American culture, for instance, Thanksgiving is a holiday centered around this concept. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, give thanks, and its importance in English. Remember, it's about acknowledging the good in our lives and the kindness of others. Stay grateful, and see you in the next video.